Hi guys, welcome to Jarvis Universe. Today we will be learning how to control LEDs using infrared remote. Let's have a look how I am controlling LEDs using this remote. As you can see, I am changing colors, patterns, intensity using an infrared remote which is lighting up the liquor area. So let's put our curious hats on and learn how this works. These are the little LEDs which are glowing and changing colors. So for that we will need an IR receiver which has three terminals GR and Y. You can find the terminology by reading the number 1838 and look for the data sheet. First we will connect a circuit to recognize unique codes on each button of the IR remote. For that we have to connect this IR receiver with power and give a signal from the digital pins of the Arduino board. So here we have it. Let's make the connections. Okay, so our connections are done. Let's start writing our code. We will first include the IR remote library. Link is mentioned in the description. Then we will define the infrared pin which is 11 on our board. Then we will be writing the code for what our IR pin will be doing. It will be receiving the data from IR remote. Now we have to decode the results on the serial monitor so that we can know which program is having what unique code. So for that we will define results as decode underscore results. Now let's move to the setup. We will begin the serial in 9600 bits. Then we will write the code to start our receiver. That will be iReceive enable IR input. For that we will be writing the following program. And we will mention in the comments this is to start the receiver. Now let's move to the loop. We will be writing if command to receive the results by decoding it on the serial monitor screen. So this is how we will get the results, and on the next statement we will print the results on the screen. Now we will write the code for receiving the next value. So we will resume and we will mention in the comments. Now we will provide a little delay in every value which has been decoded. So now we are done. Let's verify the program. We will save this program as IR values. We have an error. I have put the wrong symbol on the library. And we have another error because we forgot to put semicolons after end of the statements in setup. Okay, so after putting semicolons our program is verified. Now let's upload the program on the board. Our program is uploaded. Now let's press key 1 of the IR remote. As soon as we press 1, values are being recorded on the serial monitor as you can see on the screen. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are being recorded on the serial monitor. To make it work we just have to copy these values and define the buttons we want to use for which LED. So now let's move to the fun part where we will be controlling LEDs through this IR remote. Here is a circuit. We just have to connect 3 LEDs to our Arduino board. Then we just have to write code for this. This is very simple. Now as you can see I have made the connections. I have used red, green and blue LED. All the connections has been made. Now let's move to our programming section and write the code for this. Similarly we have our IR remote library. No mistakes this time. We will define our receiver pin, that is 11. Then we will define the LED pins 7, 6 and 5. Now this is the interesting part. It says it's on LED 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is to define what happens when you press a button multiple times. State 0 means it is off and 1 means it's on. Here are the codes we copied from button 1, 2 and 3 so that we can define it according to the LEDs. Here we will define our receiver pin as receiving pin, decode the results, and let's set up. Serial begin. To write the values on the monitor we will define our LEDs as output. We will start the receiver. After setting up IR receiver and LEDs, and serial monitor, let's move to the loop where we will be writing our code for connecting LEDs to the individual buttons. First we will create a case in which we will write the program for our first LED. We will write an if command for our first LED to be on, whose initial state will be off, which is low. Now we will write if as soon as the button is pressed, our LED will glow. Digital write LED1 high. So we have made our case 1 in which we have the code for LED1 to glow. Now we have to put a break so that we can separate the codes, and we will write the code for second LED, that is code 2. So we will put a case and write code 2. That will be similar to the case 1, just we have to do it for the LED 2 and then similarly for the LED 3. Now I want my values to be printed on the serial monitor as well. You can omit this line if you want. So I will write the serial print command and then the command to receive the next value. So our code has been done, and let's verify the program and upload it on the Arduino board and see how it works. Okay, so our program is being uploaded on the Arduino board. Let's open the serial monitor to view all the values. Now let's move to our circuit and see how it works as our program has been uploaded. I will start with the key 1. As soon as I press key 1, the red LED glows, which is our LED 1. Similarly, LED 2 will glow from the number 2 button, and let's press number 3, blue LED will glow. If I press these buttons again, these LEDs will switch off, and side by side all the values are getting printed on serial monitor. So here we have made our LEDs glow and dim with our IR remote. Similarly, we can control a number of things using IR remote. We will be seeing in the few next tutorials. So guys, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Ciao.